The present is surrounded by a great number of real possibilities. Each moment brings with it the promise of something genuinely new. It is this dreaming ahead and the struggle to realize that dream which gives us our purpose.
Probabilities of the future have not overwhelmed us. The possibilities for the future are something we hold together.
The creation of new leaders and a change in education takes more than new buildings, new terminology, and new methodology. Rather, it takes new minds.
The spirit, the enthusiasm, the excitement so pervasive among its members has truly given life to this institution in its earlier years.
The task of transforming both institutions and ourselves has not yet been finished. No one has yet seen what the end of this process might be.
We must look realistically at what we as a community have done and can do in the future.
We're going to have to find that solution ourselves. And I would guess that it's going to be messy, complex, and maybe even right.
The promise of a place of intentional wandering, a place to decipher one's own voice amongst the many. We have triumphed as a community, facing every challenge together.
I believe in Hampshire College. There is no place that has been more important to the American college and university system over the last 50 years. I believe our society needs Hampshire now more than ever. It is the essential college in higher education.